up, guys? So we're back with another video, and today's video is sponsored by Miss Here Hair. So today we have a 22-inch body wave lace front wig. The hair already comes in this beautiful body wave texture. First, I'm gonna have to cut off this lace real quick. As you can see, the hairline is looking really nice. It's not that thick up in here, so that's a plus. All right, so let's see what the parting is looking like and how far it go back. You don't get that much parting, maybe 2.5 inches. So this is all the parting you're gonna get. So since we got a hump right here, all I'm gonna do is spray it down with water to lay it down. Or you can take like a hot comb or whatever, or some mousse. Let's spray some mousse on it. This side is not that bad, but this side, yeah, see how flat it got? I just need a little bit more help right up in here. I'll just use water. Now I am gonna apply concealer in the parting because it's
I don't think that's in the middle.
I don't think that's in the middle. She said she don't think that's in the middle.
Don't look like it.
Don't look like it? Let's take the comb. Your nose. It is in the middle.
You're going over. You really went over there.
Is that in the middle, y'all? No, it's like crooked a little bit. I can never get it straight on other people's head. Like, I mean, now I'm gonna have to do all that. Now I'm gonna have to lay this down all over again. Wait, I'm not done. Let's put some concealer in this part to kind of make the part pop. Like stand out a little bit. See? Just a little bit goes a long way. You just need a little bit. I mean, but you don't want it to stand out too much because, I mean, it is a wig, so you don't want to. So we're gonna go for the little Pocahontas type look. What, you don't like that? Going to the side like that? Oh, we should have did a side part if we was gonna do the Pocahontas look. But look at the body wave.
Period.
She done brought the dog in here.
Chanel.
But you know what? I want to do a half up, half down hairstyle. What she do?
She bit my cheek.
Oh. She like, I don't want to be on camera. Oh. I'm going to do a half up, half down style on this wig because I really do like the hairline. And I like how it's thin all up in here. So you don't have to do much, like as far as plucking. But by the looks of it, it doesn't look like I'm going to have to pluck. So let's see if we can just grab this hair up real quick and do half up, half down. Okay, so yeah, this is the finished look. I didn't glue down the wig, but of course, if you glue down your wig, it'll look a little bit more flawless because see right here, it's like sticking up. So she don't want the wig glued down. So what I'm probably do is, yeah, all you have to do is just tuck this under like that. And then there, and hide the lace a little bit. Like I said, this hair is from Miss Here Hair. The link will be down below. This is Body Wave, 22 inches. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.